ClickUp project management tutorial. Hi everyone, welcome to this quick tutorial where I'm going to show you how you can start using ClickUp, which is a project management and productivity platform. It is basically the combination of a to-do list, a project management tool, a document editor, and a chat platform, and much more. So I will put the link of ClickUp down in the description box below. So you just have to click on that link and you will be redirected on the official website of ClickUp. Now over here, in order to sign in into your account, you can either click on the get started option or you can navigate to the top right hand corner and you will have to click on sign up. Once you do this, this type of sign up pop-up will open in front of you where you will have to enter your email address in this section and then you will have to press next. Once you do this, it will ask you to enter your full name and create a password. So you will have to provide your name in this section and then you will have to create a strong password for your account. After that, you will have to click on play with ClickUp. Now it will ask you to confirm your email address. So a confirmation code will be sent to you on your registered email address. So you just have to open your email. So you just have to copy this code and you just have to paste it over here. After that, it will ask you to fill out these information. So first you will have to describe whether you are using ClickUp for work, personal or school. So I'm using it for work. So I'll simply click on work. Now it will ask you how many members are there in your company. So you will have to select. Then it will ask you which solution would you like to start with. So you will have to select any of the options that is given. So I'm using it for marketing, so I'll simply select it. Now once you have successfully created your account with ClickUp, your dashboard will look something like this, where you are going to see this a demo project. In the left hand side you are going to see various other options as well. So we are going to see each and every option one by one. If you navigate to the top left hand corner, you are going to see my workspace. So at the time of the creation of your account, whichever name you have put over there, it has created a workspace for that, but you can add a new workspace into it. For that, you simply need to click on this section and then you will have to click on new workspace. Once done, it will open this form in front of you where you will have to provide your workspace name. So let's say I want this workspace for SMMA agency. So I'll simply type it and then you will have to press next. After that, you can assign or customize your workspace avatar. So you can select its color among the given options and then you will have to click on I am happy so far. After that, it will ask you how many people will be working with. So you will have to provide your team range. After that, you will have to provide the email address of those people that you want to invite into your workspace. So you can either add their email address now or you can even skip this option and you can do this later as well. After that, you just have to scroll down and if you use any of these applications, then you will have to click on that and you can easily integrate your data from these applications to your ClickUp account. After that, it will ask you whether you have used any of these project management tools before. So if you have used any of these and you want to import your data from these to your ClickUp account, then you can also do so by clicking on the project management tool that you have used before. You just have to provide your login details and it will automatically link your account with it and it will import your data. Now you will have to scroll down and then you will have to click on play with ClickUp. Now after waiting for some time, it has created your space. So in the left hand section you are going to see the spaces option. Now if you click on everything, then it will show you everything that is in your list, but if you click on space, then it will show you the details in your space. Now here by default you are going to see a bunch of different widgets. So let me just delete all these and let me just create a new space for you so that you could learn how to add tasks and how to add various types of widgets into it. So I have deleted that space and in order to create a new space, you will have to click on create space option and now you will have to give your space a name. So in the SMMA agency, let's say we want to create a space for hiring freelancers. So I'll simply write it as my name and then I will press next. After that, you will have to provide a description for it. So for this video, I'm going to select it as project management and now I will press next. After that, you can select the color or the theme or the avatar for your space. So I will select this avatar and I will select the green color and then press next. After that, it will ask you whether you want to share your workspace or you want to keep it private. So you can choose any of the options that best suits you, but if you want to share your workspace with your team members, then you will have to select this option and then you just have to press next. After that, it will redirect you on the next page where you are going to see a bunch of different options such as custom content, Kanban, marketing, normal, Scrum, etc. So you just have to select it as custom as the other methods we are going to add later, and then you just have to press next. After that, you can add or integrate these application in your ClickUp application such as priority, email, tags, custom fields, etc. So you just have to select those options which you want to add in your project. In order to view more, you will have to click on the more option and it will show you various options as well. So for this video, I'm going to select these options and then you just have to press next. Once done, it will land you on the next page where you will have to select the type of layout or the template you want. So I want the list layout and I want the board view. I will also select calendar view and the mind map view. So you just have to select the type of view in which you want to see your project, and after selecting the option, you will have to click on review space and then you will have to click on create space option. Now as you can see over here that this is our space and this is the options that you see on the top. So at the time of the creation of this board, we have selected these types of views. So this is the list view by default. You can also view it in the board view and you can also view it as calendar and mind map. If you want to add more, then you will have to click on the view option and you can also add multiple views into it. Now you will have to click on the list option and here you are going to see various other functions such as you can group your listings and you can add filters, you can manage your comments, your subtasks, your checklist and your assignees. Now here, in order to add a new task, you will have to go to the board section and here it will show you your board. So in the to-do list, you will have to click on this plus icon and this type of dialog box will open in front of you where you will have to provide your task name. So in the hiring freelancer, let's say I want to hire video editors and graphic designers. So I will simply type hire video editors and the next task is to hire graphic designers. So I've added these two tasks into my space and if you click on it, then you are going to see a bunch of other options as well. So first you can mark the status of it. So if you want to mark it as complete or if you want to mark it as in review, then you can also do this by clicking on it. After that, you can add members into this task. So if you want to assign this particular task to, let's say, 2 members in your team, then you will have to click on this section and then you can search for them by typing their name in the search bar, or you can even add their email address into it. After that, you are going to see the option of dates. So let's say you want this particular task to be completed in a certain time range. So let's say you want to complete it by 25. So you will have to select the starting date and then you will have to select the final date. And after that, you just have to press save and it will show you the due date, meaning that the person to whom you have assigned this task will have to complete this task by Monday or the date you have selected. After that, you can also add a description or a particular note that you want your assigned people to see. After that, in the details section, you can add some custom field if you want to, and you can even add subtasks and action items. Now you must be wondering what is the difference between the subtasks and action items. So let me tell you, the subtasks are some kind of milestones or the daily tasks that you want to achieve, and the action items are those actions with the help of which you are going to achieve your subtasks. So let's say in the hiring video editors, your subtask is to reach out to the video editors on various other platforms. So how you are going to do so? So in the action items, you can write that you can reach out to the video editors via Fiverr or via Upwork, or various other methods. So basically in the action items you are going to write or list the methods with the help of which you are going to achieve your subtasks. So I hope you understand the difference between the subtasks and the action items. So you can also write any comment if you want to by clicking on the bottom right hand side. So you will have to type the comment, and you can even share this board with your team members. Now in the board section, if you want to add more status, then you will have to click on the add status option, and here you will have to give your status a name. So let's say I want to give it as in progress. So I'll simply type it, and now you can even choose your color. So let's say I choose it as blue. Then you will have to click on the save button. Now as you can see over here, the in progress status has been created, and it has automatically taken its place in between the to-do list and in the complete. So once your task has been started, and once you want to keep it in the progress, you just have to drag it and you just have to drop it in this section. If it is complete, then you just have to drop it in the complete section. So this is how you can easily play with your board. Now let's say you want to add various other templates into your board. So in order to do so, you will have to click on the create space option in the bottom right hand corner, and then you will have to provide your space a name. After that, you are going to see the option of use template. So you simply need to click on use template, and in the search bar you will have to give your template name. So here in this section you will have to provide your template name. So let's say I want template for my agency. So I'll simply type agency into it, and by typing agency, it has shown me all of the templates that are available in the agency management. So you will have to choose any of these, and then you just have to click on it. Here you will have to click on use template option. Now it will ask you your space name and whether you want to import everything from this template or you want to customize it. So you can even customize it by clicking on the customize import items, and you can turn on or off all the tasks that you want or you don't want into this template. After that, if you scroll down, it will ask you the import as it is or the remap dates. So you will have to select the option as per your convenience, and then you will have to click on use template option. Now after waiting for some time, as you can see over here that it has created a new space of agency management. So you will have to click on it, and it will show you all of the templates that you have imported. In the top you are going to see all of the pages, so you can click on overview, welcome, organization chart as well, and you can even customize it by clicking on this customize option, and you can add or delete view into it. So this way you can use template. In the top right hand corner you are going to see the home section. So if you click on home, you are going to see all of the spaces or all of the tasks and projects that you have created. If you click on the inbox section, you are going to see your important comments or messages, and then you are going to see the messages that you have sent, snoozed, and cleared. If you click on docs, it will show you all of your documents, such as we have imported the agency management template. So it has shown me all of the documents that are linked into it. Now if you click on dashboard, it will show you your workspace here. So if you want to create a new dashboard, then you will have to click on the create dashboard option, and now it will show you three templates that you can choose, or you can even create a custom template. So after clicking on the custom template option, it will show you all of the templates that are available. So you can choose among any of these, and after that you will have to click on start free trial option, and then you will be able to create your custom dashboard into ClickUp. After that, if you click on the more option, then you can even add whiteboards and polls and goals into it. And in order to pin it, you will have to click on this pin icon right next to it, and it will automatically pin in your left hand side section. Lastly, we are going to look at the pricing of ClickUp. So you can use it as low as $7 per month, and in the $7 you are going to see various unlimited features. However, if you purchase their business plan, which will cost you $12 per month, you are going to get some other benefits such as Google single sign on and SMS two-factor authentication, AI compatibility, etc. So this is how you can easily use ClickUp project management tool. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then please consider liking this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.